Welcome to the Cloud Master Bootcamp 2021. This is our prerequisite course on Linux administration. And here we are going to start with the Linux Basic Administration course. And the next one will be the advanced. So let's begin with the basic one. Hello, a little bit about myself. I am Shweta Chavan. I am an Azure AWS SRE certified professional. So, a little bit about Techpledge Consulting. Techpledge is an edtech company which provides services in training, placement, certification, and bootcamp. So now let us move on to our index for the day. What we are going to look in Linux Basic Administration is that it's all about starting with Linux history and its features. The next term is Linux architecture with hands over Linux basic commands. And then comes the Linux file system. Also, we are going to see how Linux directory structure is. Then we'll perform some Linux file operations. Then we are going to look into Linux user management. Then the next is Linux group management. After that, we'll see Linux user password management. And the last come is Linux security. So, the index for the day explains you basic about all the Linux history to Linux security. So let's stop here and we'll continue further.